Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the Mass Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself Hobo fishing pole. Basically for this is stuff that I found all along the Delaware River fishing. Basically I'm going to start it off like this. With this stick, I actually sharpened it with a knife. Remember, if you are younger and you want to sharpen a stick with a knife, please do it under adult supervision. The reason I sharpened the end of this stick is so you can actually stick it in the ground, which I'm about to do, or you actually can stick various caterpillars or grasshoppers and put it up to your mouth and eat them. So basically I'm going to stick this into the ground like this. Like I said, it's just a stick. As you can see, I sharpened the end. I found a bird feather. I tucked it behind this vial that I found on the ground. That I attached to the stick with actually zip ties that I found along the river. You'd be surprised when people throw their trash out of their boats and the stuff that washes up along the shore. And basically, I found an old fork. See how it's all bent? But this could act for poking things, whether you, like I said, the other end was used for grasshoppers and caterpillars. You actually could do the same with the fork, or you could actually eat with it when you catch a fish and prepare it. Basically, I found this can. I attached it with another zip tie right here. This is only going to get a couple uses until the can actually falls off. There's fishing line actually wrapped around that I found along a tree. I found an old bobber, and you can see I found a hook, and the hook just sticks right into the stick. And this is really cool. This vial could actually hold bait. Actually, in there right now is some cool looking stones that I actually found along the river. This is actually really cool. This is the do-it-yourself Hobo fishing pole. And people will ask me, Dr. Fish, why do you got monofilament fishing line wrapped around a Pepsi can that you found? Because when basically I take this hook off, I put my bait on there that I pull out of my vial, and basically you rip the can off of this. This is just acts as a stand. You could put a hole in it again and put it on the zip tie again. It's not going to be a full-term use with this, but basically when you catch a fish, it's going to squeeze the can and act as a drag. And you see how I attached the fork. I just found some old string and I just tied it together. This is really cool, man. The do-it-yourself Hobo fishing pole. Always be original, creative, and explosive on YouTube, guys. See things that other people don't see and make cool stuff like this, like the do-it-yourself Hobo fishing pole. I don't recommend going and try to catch 20-30 pound stripers with this or anything, but it's great for simple pan fish such as bluegill or crappies. So make the do-it-yourself Hobo fishing pole. All you need is a stick, feather, zip ties, a vial, a bobber, a can, some monofilament, a fork, some rope, and a creative mind like Dr. Fish. This is really cool, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.